Hello everyone. If you are looking for crypto, you want to buy, you want to look for the data, for the charts, for the prices and trading history. So I can show it to you today from where you can see and where you can analyze it. So first of all, this is the link. You will copy it to Google and here is Google. Just Google it. Here you find. So this is the platform DEX Screener where you can find everything. So for example, this is 24-hour and in 24-hour this is the detail of the coins, and here you will find the new pairs to the left, and you click on this. You can see the broccoli is jumping up, and here you can see 12.13%. okay, and in 6 hour this much percentage, and 24 hour this much percentage. So from here you can find the gainer or losers. So it would be easy for you. So the Pi network is also trending these days. You can find it, what's the current value, this is the price, you can see the price for everything, and this is the time for which one you got how much volume, makers, and this is 24-hour. You can increase or decrease it, you can see, and liquidity, market cap, and you can set the filters and a lot of more. So new pairs is good. Here you can see which one is going on new, so that you can understand what is going on in the market and where you can catch up these things. Okay, so hopefully this help you. And here is the Solana, BSC, Ethereum, Base, TON, TON, everything. And here you can see the watch list. You can add the pair to watch what is going on there, and also multi charts. You can select this chart, and you can see, and also you can set alerts for various coins. So if the price goes up or down, you can track in there. And also you can search a lot of things. So what I do usually, new pairs, and I look at that, the newest top gainers, and age also less than or equal to 24 hour, so you can see the latest one, what is going on there. Okay, I hope this is good for you and you like it. The next video, if you like, I will do on how to buy crypto.